Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. You're watching for today. So LineageOS 23 is set to release their official Android 16 version. It's almost ready. Like Lunaris OS, LineageOS 23 basic custom ROM we reviewed in the last video, the new most famous LineageOS 23 and crdroid based AOSP ROM Alphadroid made available their Android 16 initial release. All official devices list given in the description will get this update soon. Some of them like OnePlus 12 are already got it. But if your device is not in the list, don't worry. Developer doze made unofficial custom GSI version of this ROM which should work on any device. So today in this video, I will review everything about this famous AOSP ROM which is based on the LineageOS and crdroid source base with some amazing customizations. At the end of this video, we discuss what's working with some important bugs along with some fixes to solve them easily, along with some other unsolvable issues of this GSI version. So watch this video till the end. Now without further delay, let's get started. This is the first Android 16 based release of Alphadroid. Let's check out its about device details. This is the QPR0 Android 16 version. As this is the initial build, security patches of this ROM is of old August 2025 and it will get the latest security patches with upcoming updates. This is an official build by developer doze, who is a maintainer of almost all custom GSI ROMs which we are reviewing at our channel. Alphadroid version is 4.1 GApps. I have also added the vanilla build of this ROM in the description. Build date of ROM is of latest 13th October 2025. So even though this is the initial release, but it comes with the latest source base. Though ROM is a AOSP, it have its dedicated customizations available in the alpha setting. I will not waste the time to show you all the old school custom ROM features, so let's come to the main point. User interface of this setting is unique and everything is well categorized in the different options. My most favorite quick setting header image customization is available in the quick setting option. Like other highly customizable ROM, queer style shape feature is available in this ROM, but we got one extra shape to customize your queer styles. We get the simple circle shape, rounded square. This is the something different, having combinations of both square and rounded tiles. And the last one is a pure square shape, which remembered me the old days of Cyanogen mod quest panel. And the lock screen customization option for lock screen clock, who gets lots of different clock style. This is the huge list of updated new lock screen clock. Some of them are not even available in most of the new custom ROMs. These clocks will give amazing look to your lock screen and always on display. Except these features, all other basic and old school customizations are available in this setting. Under the miscellaneous setting, we get the advanced features like to select custom safety net attestation keys, Google Play integrity spoofing, unlocking IRFS for the games, etc. But I got one feature for app sidebar in the Alphadroid. We can enable the app sidebar and can add multiple system and user applications in the sidebar. By default, we get the colored icon looks for sidebar application. But here we got the new toggle to theme these sidebar icons with Material U themes. This feature gives the clean look to your app sidebar applications. Next, we get the charging animation feature in Alphadroid. By default, we get this Google charging animation which has the display pixel expansion from the bottom to upward side. While if you switch on this toggle, we get the new charging animation having the display pixel expansion from the center to the both top and the bottom side, which gives amazing look. We also get the 3-finger swipe gesture feature. By assigning different shortcuts to this feature, we can improve productivity of your device in Alphadroid. Except this new and important feature, ROM comes with new media player having online streaming called as Simple Tune. This is the Material U themed music player having unique card style. Even we get the download option within the settings of currently running music track. So you can directly download your favorite songs using this music player. Here comes my most favorite part of this ROM, that is its performance. I am just really amazed with its performance. It's super smooth. In my opinion, it's the fastest ROM ever I tried till the date without doing anything. Everything is buttery smooth. If you again want the further smoothness, you get the new settings in the AOSP application. You can use the different toggle settings available in the miscellaneous option like LMK tweaks, disable expensive rendering, disable SFGC back pressure and disable SFHWC back pressure. Along with these optimizations, you can experience the never seen performance of your device without harming your device battery health. Now let's check out some important things working in this ROM and the some bugs that you can solve with simple tricks. Unlimited Google Photo Backup is available by default in this ROM, but if it's not working for you, then enable the Unlimited Google Photo Backup spoof toggle, which is available in the miscellaneous option of Alpha setting. ROM have DRM info security as L1, so you can run online streaming applications like Amazon Prime, Netflix at the Full HD resolution. But if they are not working with the Full HD resolution, then you can use fixed Netflix spoofing toggle, which is available in the same miscellaneous setting of the Alpha setting option. LTE network with VoLTE calls and internet is working, but if it's not working, you can follow the tutorial step. Its link is available in the description. Camera punch hole cutout issue also can be fixed using display cutout option. It's available in the developer setting. But some minor display cutout misalignment will be still present after applying this fix, but it's negligible. Both Google Circle to Search and Google Gemini with AI Assistant is working in this ROM by default. Always on display will work, but you need to enable force always on display toggle available in the display option of AOSP application. To enable double tap to wake, use toggle available in a miscellaneous setting of AOSP application. Now we'll check out some unsolvable bugs of this ROM. The first one is no under display fingerprint is working, but it's working for devices having physical fingerprint. We can also use face unlock as alternative. It's pretty accurate and fast. All play integrity checks are failing in this ROM, but still most of banking and payment applications are working along with WhatsApp and Snapchat. Play integrity is not working even though I loaded custom keybox XML file, but I have another trick. Its link is available in the iCard and in description, which will pass all play integrity checks in this ROM. Google Play Protect is not certified, but you can fix this using our tutorial video. 5G network and VNR calling is not working, so except the bugs of play integrity, 5G network and under display fingerprint, everything is working. So what is my final verdict about Alphadroid? If you want the lightweight AOSP experience with some useful customization without compromising your device performance, Alphadroid is the best choice. It can definitely give you the fastest Android 16 experience on any kind of Android devices from low to high. This is all about for today guys. Hope you liked our work. Then please do like and share this video, subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon to get notifications of our upcoming content related to custom Rom GSIs and Android mods to give the new life to your old aged Android devices. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.